Hello guys, sorry it's been a while. I was at the Norton Rally last week and I've also had some family over from the UK, so haven't made much progress on the bike, but here's what I have been doing. As you can see, I've fitted the seat just temporarily. It's very simple, just nuts and bolts at the rear and at the front, and you may recall, got a little rip there. Actually, this seat looks pretty large. I'm even thinking of swapping it out for the flatter seat that I have on the Vincent Comet. That was the seat that John made. Then I've installed the spark plug wires and caps. This front one's too long, I'm going to have to shorten that at some point. And I'm currently in the process of installing the throttle and choke cables. Again, I've read up on that and I'm just trying to find the most efficient, the best route for left and right. This curve here, this bend here in the pipes is problematical, especially when you put the gas tank on. No doubt it won't be the first or the last time I do some cable routing. Thank you for all the comments about the exhaust header nuts. Yeah, just another close-up of how far out they are. Again, I'll probably be removing these at some point and doing another tighten up session, as they are probably just a little bit too far out. But they go in very well. I tighten them up by hand and then use the C-spanner. So the threads are good, it's just they're not far enough in. I think they've locked up on the header pipes. And I think these are the only two items left to install on the bike. That's the Dynamo, which I don't actually need to install to try and start the bike. So that's it guys, we're getting very close. I'm sorry to keep you hanging. I'm excited to get this bike started very soon. So please stay tuned and thanks for sticking with me. And I'll speak to you again soon. Okay, see ya.